back, and what I'm waiting for is a tow truck to arrive here, bringing another vehicle into the yard of everyday projects. It's a vehicle that I've bought sight unseen, and we'll take you through the whole tour of it once it arrives. And there it is. Thank you for your help. Okay, here it is. Let's take a look under the hood and see what's in there. That seems to stay up. All right. Kind of a bag. All right, let's first look inside. Let's see what's going on here. I know that the water pump broke, and so the timing belt jumped. So everything's just been set back inside here like this. Let's just put this down. Cover there. Okay, part of the timing cover. There. Oh, another cover. Okay. All right, so yeah, the belt didn't actually break. The belt looks like I said one piece. Water pump broke. And it probably, oh, here's the water pump. There it is. And the bearing went in it. I don't know if you can see that movement. Timing belt is runs the water pump, so when the bearing goes in this, see that? Apparently the belt jumped. Let's see what the oil looks like in it. The oil doesn't look bad. Okay. Wow. There we go. A new adventure. All right. We'll be looking at that soon. It's got little wipers on it. Little wipers on the front. Let's take a look at this thing. Yeah, tires are pretty well done. It's got a chip in the windshield. That's nothing serious. I've seen those stay for a long time without going anywhere. It's got a leather interior. Seat looks good. Some type of a storage compartment in here. Well, that's the cup holder. Look at that. Isn't that ingenious? And you close it, it folds, comes out, opens, put a cup in. Check that out. Isn't that cool? Back seat. Back seat looks okay. What are these? Some type of roof rack. Something for the roof rack. Doesn't look too bad. Door shuts. It opens and closes quite well. Yeah, the glass looks good on these. The bumper's okay. That glass is okay. Okay, let's look down in here. Oh, what's this? Power steering fluid. Okay. A frame for something here. What that is. Oh, wrench kit. There's a tire iron wrench. These are Something to do with having a flat tire. There's a jack. There is touch-up paint there. A couple of little wrenches. Screwdriver. It probably comes with the car. And a spare tire. The battery will be right here. And the battery is missing. But that's okay. Yeah. Good solid connections and everything. They're all there. That's the hold down. Alright, I knew that wasn't there. I knew the battery wasn't there, so that's okay. And there's the case that covers the battery. And what have we got in the side here? Let's look and see. Oh, just a little storage compartment there. Accessing behind the lights. Okay. On this side, fuse panel. All right. Okay. Change the spare. You put the flat up in here. Leave that up. Stand the tire up in here. That'll hold it in place while you take it to the garage. Okay. And then there's another compartment here. I wonder what's under that. Oh yeah, there's a kind of a, oh, it's one of these nets to divide off the back. You put like a dog in it or something. That's what that's for. So I'll take that out of there for now. Yeah, a bit of storage in there. Looks okay. On this side, the seats look good. Let's see about that door. And the passenger side seat looks good. It's got a sunroof. What's the underbody look like, I wonder? So that doesn't look too bad. Exhaust doesn't look too bad. I don't know. I don't see the muffler there. Unless it's over on that side. The resonator is a catalytic converter. Let's go see if there's a muffler on it. Yeah, muffler looks good. Control arms are good. Not rusted out. Okay, so I'm starting to take a look at this engine here. What I've done is I've loosened off the intake manifold here. There it is. Take that camshaft out like that. That's there.